Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on designing a machine learning model. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. As machine learning explodes in popularity, it is becoming ever more important to know precisely how to frame a machine learning model in a manner appropriate to the problem we are trying to solve and the data that we have available. In this course, you will gain the ability to appropriately frame your use case and then choose the right solution technique to model it. First, you will learn how rule-based systems and ML systems differ and how traditional and deep learning models work. Next, you will discover how supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning techniques differ from each other. You will learn how classic supervised learning techniques such as regression and classification complement classic unsupervised techniques such as clustering and dimensionality reduction. You will then understand the assumptions and outcomes of these 4 classes of techniques and how solutions can be evaluated. Finally, you will round out your knowledge by designing end-to-end ML workflows for canonical ML problems, ensemble learning, as well as neural networks. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to identify the correct machine learning problem setup and the appropriate solution technique for your use case.